Hey, ciao Bellas. I'm back and I'm going to do a really quick training on exporting. I had to think a minute, y'all. Exporting your CSV from your paparazzi orders into Shopify. Really quick. Okay. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll come back. Hopefully you are enjoying these trainings. I appreciate your support, liking and subscribing. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and going to get going. Okay. So listen, what I recommend when you're going to do this process is that you have two tabs open. One is your paparazzi order, right? Okay. Your paparazzi order history under your profile. Go down there to order history. I'm going to do this one because I haven't had a chance to import this one over. And I have people who I've posted these pictures and they want to claim some of these items and I can't invoice them. Real thing, real life, y'all, real life. Do the best you can. Like I wear a couple of hats like most of you all. And so it is what it is. So I have orders. People want this stuff and I can't invoice because it's not my Shopify, right? So get ahead of it and stay ahead of doing this. But this is a great real life moment, right? So have your order that you're going to export, have that tab open, have your product tab open in your Shopify, in your admin section of your Shopify. Okay, so look, what we're going to do. You can do either or. You can go ahead and click import and open up that import screen because it's ready to go. You can go back to your order history. And if you scroll down to order export CSV, okay, and click there. All right, and then go back here. And now we're going to take this file here. I have the cursor on the file. I left click and drag and drop. Left click, drag, let go and drop. Okay, click upload and continue. Click import products. You can close this window while it is importing products into the Shopify store. You can close it. They will pop up here. Now over here, you see these up and down arrows. I usually click here. I need to be getting ready to get dressed. We're going out to dinner tonight to celebrate one team member's birthday. So I need to roll, but I'm trying to get this done. I click create it because I'm creating new inventory. And I'm clicking newest first because it's the newest inventory that I've created. And here are the items that were exported over. Here are the items here that were exported over. You all got that process? So the one I'm going to do is this one first, Bohemian Blossom Copper. So now that it's in my Shopify store, I need to make a few edits. Look what was imported over. A lot. So the title, the description was imported over, all the images and the price for $5 and the SKU. So you have to do a few things, but that's a whole lot and it makes it easier. So I typically go up here and this is optional. I put paparazzi because I'm working on Google SEO, y'all. I have some trainings on that here on my YouTube channel. I also love this picture of it on the model. So I do that because I have comments sold. And when I'm going live, I like that one to pop up for people to see. Price, of course, is $5 that it is being sold at. I only paid $2.75 like you do. So that's cost per item. That's your profit and that's your profit margin. SKU, I use that. I use this to track my inventory. I use the Paparazzi School. So I copy. Right click copy, right click paste. I track quantity. I need to go back. How much was that one? How many? I only ordered 3 of those. So I go back over and I go to available, click. This is all, some of this is new. Unavailable, committed, and on hand. They've changed how this looked and I love how they've changed it. So I click available and I put in 3, 1, 2, 3. I save. I don't put the weight because when I export all of my inventory over to Premier, which is my plan, it Paparazzi already calculates the weight, and I don't want to put anything differently here. All right. And it's not a digital product or service. You can add options if you have different ones that are the same but different colors, right? So I go over to my tags, and I usually put like copper necklace. I put turquoise and copper because that's what it is. And I'm just doing a few things right now. You can go up to the description and pull things from the description that you might want to put in as tags. I'm just moving quickly. You add more. And then, over here also, let me back up. Over here, you can manage. And those are tags that typically are already available as well that you can use. So just FYI. Collections, okay, I have different collections. You probably have different ones. So it is a necklace and it is a new release. So that's what I click. And then up here, I always make my vendor, because I'm the vendor. I cut it and then I choose my Bella Bling. And then this is all new. It used to be, I have a training on here for how to correct Google errors. And part of that correction process was dealt with this area here. But now Google and Shopify work together a lot better. So I don't have to do anything there. And everything is here. It's fine. These are all my sales channels. And it is green. So it's showing up in all of the sales channels. You can add as many sales channels as you want. And you can manage them here by doing unclicking if you don't want this product to show up in all of those sales channels. But I do, because I want everyone on these different channels to be able to find the jewelry, right? And then what do I do after that? Everything's good. I go up and make sure you click save. And now it is done. And then what do I do next? Of course, I go back. I don't need to do anything over here, but I leave it open because I'm going to have other orders. I'm going to have to go back to the order history and pick up other ones, right? But right now, what I do on my Shopify is I go back and I pick up another one that just was imported, and I go through that same process of putting Paparazzi before it, putting in my cost per item and all of that kind of stuff, right? And so it's the same process. So I think I've covered that. I don't know if anything else that I need to share about that. There are other trainings that teach that same way. And so definitely, if this didn't answer, you can look at those or just ask me. But I know it was a down and dirty, quick training, but hopefully it helps. And I'll be back for more trainings. You'll probably see some of my convention training. So look through my channel. There's a lot of good ones there. I think they're good. Hopefully they meet the need that you have for information purposes. If there's anything to train on, always reach out, let me know. And always, please share this out. Let your team members know. It would be great for me and hopefully a win-win for that team member as well. And please subscribe. Just click that subscribe. Okay. I appreciate it. And I am gone. So ciao, Bellas.